Hello everyone and welcome once again to my channel with one more interesting recipe. Today's recipe is a very unique and awesome dessert that is bottle gourd halwa, kaddu ka halwa or Lauki ka halwa. We don't often make it at home, but it's as easy and equally tasty as the gajar ka halwa or beetroot ka halwa. It gets ready in even lesser time than those halwas. So let's have a quick look on how to make it. I have taken a full bottle gourd, that is 800 grams. It's near to 1 kg. Let's peel it. I'll show you. Peel and cut from the center. Make the pieces in this way. Just remove the center part, little bit, the seed part. If you want, you can even add that, but little part, I'm removing only a little part of it because the center part is tender, so I don't want the tender part. Let's grate it, and it looks somewhat like this. Keep a non-sticky pan or any other kadhai over stove. Add around 2 tablespoons of pure ghee. Transfer the grated bottle gourd to the vessel to roast it. We have to roast the bottle gourd until it becomes transparent. It takes 7 to 8 minutes to become dry and become transparent. Now almost 10 minutes are over. You can see that it's become dry and it has changed its color. We have to roast it in medium flame. Now add 1 cup of milk, thick milk. One cup or 1.5 cup you can add at this point, because I am going to use little mawa also later. Instead of mawa, you can even use condensed milk. If you are using condensed milk, then you can reduce the quantity of milk. 2 cardamoms, whole cardamoms I am adding here. Instead of whole cardamoms, even you can use cardamom powder. Now it's cooking in the milk. The bottle gourd has to soak the whole milk. Little food color I am adding. Since this is bottle gourd halwa, I am adding green color. It's totally optional. If you don't want food color, then you don't add it. You can skip it. Only a pinch I am adding, because as you know that food color are not good for health. Let's cook the halwa in medium flame. Now adding 1 cup of sugar. Sugar also you can adjust as per your taste, because few people eat less sweet and few people want more sweet in their sweet dish. So as per that you can increase and decrease. I am adding 1 cup here, 1 cup of sugar. Sugar you have to add only the halwa becomes dry. Otherwise it will become like kheer type. So once the bottle gourd becomes dry, then you have to add the sugar. Now I am adding some mawa which I have already kept. Little the mawa is around 50 grams with me, so I am adding it. Instead of mawa, if you have condensed milk at home, you can even use condensed milk. If you don't have anything like mawa or condensed milk, then you can increase the quantity of milk itself. In another small vessel, let's fry our dry fruits. Only a little we have to fry, keeping in low flame. Any dry fruit of your choice, like pistachio also you can use, but I don't have pistachio, so I am using cashew nuts and almonds. Let's add it along with the ghee itself. That's all. Cook for 2 more minutes. Our awesome, yummy and very unique bottle gourd halwa is ready to be served. Enjoy the halwa with your family and share your feedback with me. Stay connected for more interesting recipes. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.